This is Anjaneya temple. This is situated in Namakkal district. Namakkal. This is a very famous ancient Murti of Anjaneya. In this temple, gold radam is also available. If you pay money, we can run the radam, and also we can put vadamala for our prarthana 1008 vadamala. So all these things are going on every Saturday. Milk abhishekam, Panchamirta abhishekam, Chandan Kumkum abhishekam, Vibhuti abhishekam will be run. Coming Saturday, I will put a live to this temple.